Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 8th, 2019, and I'm going to be showing you today how to plant money plant seeds. This is what money plant seeds here look like. And now you can start these indoors in cell packs or 2-inch containers, or you can direct seed them after the danger of frost has passed in groups of 3 to 4 seeds. And I'm growing these in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, and these are perennial for where I'm growing them at. Now, germination on these seeds is irregular. It's over 14 to 28 days it can be. Now, because this is a perennial, I did pre-chill my seeds. I had my seeds in the refrigerator in a ziplock bag. So I'm going to be planting these here. I'm going to be sticking these right on top here. It doesn't say about covering them or anything like that. So, I'm going to see here. Whoops. And these are 2 to 3 feet tall biennials. So, I'm taking my seeds here and I'm pressing them into the soil. Now these are perennial to zone 5. And actually what these do, these come up in their first year and they actually bloom in their second year. Can I have my spray bottle, please? So I'm going to take my spray bottle here. I'm just going to spray over the seeds, get them nice and moist here. And then I'm going to take my seed starting mix, which I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. I'll have a link down in the description for that. And I'm just going to put a very light coating over top of the seed. I actually still want to be able to see the seed. Take my spray bottle here. I'm going to finish it off here. Now I'm going to label these. And we're going to take them over to the lights. And I will show you how to do that in just a moment here. And then in 14 to 28 days, they should start coming up for us. Now they won't all come up at one time. That's just a characteristic of the plant and the seed. But doing them like this, they'll still be under the light, so we'll be right back. Okay, so on February 14th, 2019, my money plant seeds started coming up. So I put them right under my light here, and my light's on for 14 hours a day. I'll have a link down in the description for my light. And I'll bring these out from under the light here so I can show you what the seedlings look like. And these are what money plant seedlings look like. The camera focus in here. Go. And you can see they're still sprouting over here. Now these will continue to germinate even though they're under the light. And now this is a perennial, and it blooms real pretty, like pinkish violet flowers from what I've read. And then it gets the like the silver money discs on it then as the seed pods, and you can use those in dried arrangements. So I really wanted to try and grow this plant, and I tried sowing it outdoors and different things, and I really didn't have too much luck, or something would eat it off. So I'm hoping that by starting them indoors I'll get enough of a start on them, and they'll get large enough that when they go out nothing bothers them. Now these probably will not bloom this year for me. Most of your perennials bloom in their second year. There are a few where if you start them early enough, they will bloom that year for you. But I'm not sure if this is one of them or not. So what I'll actually do is I will continue to keep my seed starting mix nice and moist on top
because my seeds are still continuing to germinate. So I'll take my spray bottle and just spray across the top and make sure it stays wet for me. And these were started February the 8th, so we got 3 so far. Hopefully the rest of them continue to come up for me. And I did use the cold stratification on the seeds. So I'm going to stick these back under here. And as these continue to grow, oops, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. Now one thing that you want to make sure is that your seedlings do not actually touch the light bulbs, because it will burn your seedling foliage, and we don't want that to happen. So just watch your seedlings, and if they're getting really close to the light, go ahead and move them down so that nothing happens to them. And that's why I have stuff stacked up here, so I don't burn anything. And I keep it close to the light so that it grows nice and sturdy for me. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. And you can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. You can get updates on how seedlings are doing, what videos are coming up, and different gardening tips. So you can check that out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.